your girl went to prime her eye using my Elegant Pro. And this one is in Buff. Buff, buff, buff. Right. Let's go back to my... I was going to do a voiceover, you know, but say what? If you hear my kids talking, I just pray for me. Alright, so I think I'm going to put a transition color first. Something nice and light. You know, transition color does, but I just want to use one palette. Let's see. Oh, dark. So I'm going to use ginger. No, I think I'm going to use credit. And then I'll just use something over. So credit is a darker color. I'm just going to pack it there, and I'm not going to blend it. Please, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills colors. I'm going to use Zomei. Is pigmented. Okay, and Jackie. Okay. I see what you did here. And then I'm going to use Wigglies. A double glitter type thing. I really thought I like pearling stuff. Be nice! Alright, so now I'm going to use my Benefit liner to create a wing. Even though I don't really need a wing, you know. I don't think I need a wing. Do I need a wing? It looks so good just so. Oh, I need a wing. Do I? No. I'm just doing the most right now. Alright, so I guess what I'm going to do off camera is do the next eye to kind of like see one time. Like, oh, they don't know what I'm going to do another eye already. So let's do the next eye off camera. So now I'm applying my lashes. I did the other eye off camera and applied white liner using my Kiss lashes. If you're hearing my Kiss lashes, my Kiss white 24-hour eye define pencil. I got this at Wonderful World when they were open. I'm not sure if Pennywise has it, but you can always check it. My Kiss lashes, I got this is the one that I would have gotten in my last Pennywise haul. So I already have the Kiss eyelash glue on my hands. I'm just putting it on before it dries. So from the EC, oh god, the EC is so cold. But I've recently, because I'm doing the keto diet, I sweat a lot and my makeup is gonna move like crazy. So yeah, I have to put my lashes on. I put my mirror a little close. Right. Oh, this mirror I would have gotten in my last Pennywise haul, but because my camera kept cutting off, I don't think this was recorded. This is the color mirror that has the light. So you see it lights up. It was $89.95 at my last Pennywise haul. And it's really good. It has a little stand and everything, but it doesn't come with batteries. You have to buy your own batteries, and you have to use 4 pen light batteries. These switches to the back to put it on and off, and it comes with this really cool sensitive type thing there. You press and where am I pointing? And the light comes on. Yeah. So you can always check it out. Again. I'm just like one of these chicks who always is frightened with mascara. Like, always poking myself in my eye. Like, why? Why am I poking myself in my eye? And if you hear clicks, 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 is my daughter right next to me on the computer. Clicks in, clicks in, clicks in. Oh, god damn it. This lash did not stick. Maybe I'm a curled up eyelash. My eyelashes are naturally curled. So I'm actually doing a tutorial. Alright, so now it is time to dust off this bacon, because I don't know where bacon to go. Bacon to go nowhere at all. Right. So now we're going to contour the face, and as you guys know, I use my Morphe 39A palette, and any one of the brown colors I use to contour, not too dark. So I am crazy. I'm like one of them. If this is a palette I am hardly using, I'm gonna find an innovative way of using you if I don't really use you for my eyeshadow looks. Like, why did I buy you and have you just parked up there catching dust? I need to find some way to use you. So if you have a palette that you're not really using that much, I would advise you find some innovative way of using him. Like, if there are colors in it that you can use for highlights or contour, because some of these eyeshadows are so pigmented you could even use them for highlighting, like, and nobody would even know. Or even for blush. Like, let's be real, you can even use it for blush, and I use it for that purpose. So yes, so I am like, yes honey, yes. So what I'm doing is contouring my face, just to give it a little definition, a little bit more definition, because I have such a wrong little moon face. I mean little, a wrong big moon face. I need to contour and give my face shape, and by doing that, it does, by contouring for me, you could even use bronzer, it really does help give my face some definition. So if you have a circle face like I do, yeah, try it. I'm gonna contour this nose. I'm not seeing like all the powder I put on my nose come on. This thing like oil central, so everything soak up. It look like I have no powder on it. So now we're going to use the Maybelline New York powder. I got this as a free gift when I went to do my last Pennywise haul. That was because I purchased 3 Maybelline products in, I think that was in April when I got that. Oh, things were blowing away when I got that as a gift. And yeah, you know, I went inside to get my blending sponge, and I still come back outside without it. So that has been fixed. Damn turmeric. Alright, that's just because your girl did a little facial today, and that's why I'm looking at her. So Alright, so with that nose done, I'm now going to add blush and so on, but I want to set the face first. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild. This is the Natural Finish Setting Spray. Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This one I got in my last Pennywise haul. If you can only see the thing, like camera don't want to. So I'm just using that first. Oh, I like how it works. Yeah, it make the powder kind of like just sit down really nice. All of the ones that was raising up and looking kind of weird. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom back out and finish do the rest of my face. So the powder that I would have also used would have been my Sacha matte face powder and the Maybelline powder I used that I got for free. That freeness was like nice, like real poppy. Alright, so now I want to use an highlighter. I don't think I'm gonna use any blush. My face already kinda have enough color. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline blush. What's this one? Master Chrome. And I like this because this thing has like so much it's so cool though. It's a really nice blush. Seeing it? The camera kind of like washing it out, but it's there. I just don't want to put too much. Anyhow, I ain't going nowhere. I feel shine like bright like a diamond, eh? I'm going anyway. Alright, so now I'm gonna just take it into the skin because I just don't want it there. Just too harsh. Alright, so now I'm gonna do some lips. Alright, so I got my pencil. Jeez, I can forget things. This pencil is which one? By the Jordana. Right, and I'm gonna use my Maybelline Super Save Matte Lip. This looks kind of orangey on camera, but it's actually browner. It smells like cuckoo. I love it. It's actually very nice, like it's like cocoa tea or something. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Dose of Color. I got this in my last boxy. Flirty. Now tell me why I wasn't like up in front of the camera for you guys to see what I'm doing. I just can't help but use my fingers though. It's like I don't have the plastic on it, that's why. And yes. Should I do some hair? Do my bald head look good? I kinda like dye at this bald head. Alright, so what you're gonna do is just like pop one of my wigs on and I'll be back and we'll talk about the finished look. Yes.
2,000 years later.
It came out so nice. And I have to say, I love the Jackie Aina Palette. I've been always hearing rave reviews on this on YouTube. So I am like real late to the game, but I just had a day. I had to play with it. And yeah, so if you like the look, the before look with my hair short, the after look with the big on, just let me know what you guys think. Make a video with it, but you would have seen pictures with me having this on probably on Instagram and on Facebook. So thank you so much for joining me and for watching through my tutorial. It was just a quick thing. I really wasn't going to record, and then like last minute my husband's like, why do you record it? You're gonna take pictures anyway. So I was like, okay, let me just record it. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much again, and if you like the look, leave me in the comment section down below and let's have a discussion. Do not forget to share my videos with your friends and your family. And yeah, so guys, bye.